I was a general contractor for 4 years before I became a glazing contractor. And I used to hire other window companies to do my work as a general contractor because I didn't know anything about windows. Most general contractors subcontract out electrical, plumbing, roofing, stucco, drywall, heating and air conditioning, windows and doors, concrete, because most general contractors are usually good at 1 or 2 trades, and everything else is done by an expert in that trade. That is why if you're replacing your windows and doors in your house, you don't need a general contractor if you're not doing everything else. You can contract directly with a certified window and door dealership, and the best way to do that is with one that offers installation. The risks of hiring somebody that doesn't know what they're doing: fire codes, tempered glass codes. If you hired someone that wasn't an electrician to come in and do the electrical in your house, would you expect them to just intrinsically know all of the codes, the distances, the heights, the voltage? Windows is no different. It's a very complex industry. There are lots of things that you need to know, and that's why having a C17 glazing contractor's license is extremely important. California State has certified that you know what you're talking about. I would imagine that they would not know all of that information. You're not going to get the best anything, and you might actually leave yourself with some liability. Like with anything, you get a new kitchen installed, you have your house painted, you get a new roof, anything home improvement. On the day it's finished, it looks great. How's it going to hold up? Windows and doors are the barrier between the inside of your home and the outside world. There's a lot of weather changes that go on there. There's a lot of things that can go wrong. Having a warranty that gives you peace of mind down the road that if anything goes wrong, or even just having it done right the first time with the right materials, the risk of not having windows and doors done by a professional long term could be devastating. When you put your windows and doors in, you're not thinking about them lasting a week. You want them to last for years and years. So think about the long-term risks of things going wrong. It is very important that you have an installation guarantee. There are things that can go wrong. There are products that will fail. If your job is complete and a year later something goes wrong and you can't get a hold of the person that did it, or they're out of business, or they just tell you, hey, we only had a 5-minute warranty, you're back to paying money out of pocket to fix things that should be covered by warranty. So it's very important. Subcontractor versus employees. This whole passing of the buck thing, it is a big problem for homeowners when you do business with a company that you think you have warranty and something goes wrong. You call them and they say, oh, that was the installation company's fault. Make sure that you're doing business with a company that has their employees doing the work, because ultimately they take responsibility for the whole job, and that way you're protected.